continuing with our self-myofascial release series, what we're going to cover today is foam rolling the lats. So the lats are a muscle that sit basically from the shoulder here down along the rib cage and into the back. So in order to foam roll that muscle, Dr. Sam's going to lay on her side, and as she lays down to the side, she's going to allow that foam roller to sit along the side of the rib cage. Then she's going to slightly roll the upper shoulder back so that she can really sit on the flesh of the muscle. Then what she's going to do is she's going to basically roll that foam roller from her armpit down to about the middle part of her rib cage. And she's going to kind of scan up and down a few times, feeling for any areas that may be sensitive. As she finds a sensitive area, just like most of our myofascial release techniques, we're just going to sit and we're going to let our body weight hold on that area to allow that to release. Then to get a little bit more out of it, what she'll do is she'll take this arm, she's going to lift it up, and then put it back down, just allowing a little bit more mobility come into that muscle. Another thing that she can do is she can bend her elbow and let her elbow rest on the ground, and then she can kind of like tick-tock the arm back and forth, just trying to get a little bit of a different movement into that muscle. Anything that really feels good for you, that you get a good release out of that. Try to find about 2 to 3 spots and make sure you hit the other side as well.